How to refill Verizon prepaid phone? To refill your Verizon prepaid phone, follow these steps. First of all, Verizon website. Log into your account, select refill, and complete the transaction online. After that, my Verizon app. Open the app, go to account, and use the refill option for quick access. Then, text refill. Check Verizon's latest instructions for the appropriate code to text. After that, in store, buy a refill card or add funds at a Verizon store or authorized retailer. And finally, automated phone. Dial star 611 from your Verizon phone to use the automated system. For issues, contact Verizon customer support for help.